Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the monotremes. Now, when we talk about the placental mammals, there are three major groups which are living at the moment: monotremes or prototheria, marsupials or metatheria, and placental mammals, which are known as eutheria. Now, the eutherians and marsupials, they are grouped together in a single clade of therian mammals, while prototheria or the monotremes, they are a sister clade of these two because they are not a therian group. Now, when we talk about the monotremes, the meaning of this word means single opening. These monotremes or prototherian, they are special kind of mammals which have the characteristics which resemble more with the reptiles as compared to the true mammals. Now, when we talk about the monotremes, they lay soft-shelled eggs outside their body, which hatch 10 days after they are laid. Now, when we talk about the different classes of monotremes, there are only 5 living species exist at this time. That includes duck-billed platypus, and we have 4 species of spiny anteaters or echidna. You can see in the diagram one of the living organism of spiny anteater is this echidna is you can see in the diagram. All of these monotremes, they are present only in the specific area in the world, New Guinea and the Australia. So the islands of New Guinea and Australia contains only these uh, species of monotremes. They are not very diverse group today, and in fact, when we see the fossil record of this group of mammals, we don't find any incredible evidence or the fossil record of this. But some modern studies, they have highlighted some of the fossils, and new studies have been arising after the discovery of those fossils. Now, when we talk about the physical features or the special characteristics of monotremes, they have highly modified snout or beak. As you can see in this diagram, we have one example, duck-bill platypus. It has a beak, while echidna, they have specifically snouts which help them in eating the ants and those small organisms which burrow inside the holes. Now, just like the other mammals, they also have some characteristics. For example, they have single bone in their lower jaw. They have 3 middle ear bones, just like the other mammals, including humans. They have high metabolic rates. Their body is covered with hair, and they also produce milk to nourish their young.